When it comes to cleaning the glass on your car, most glass cleaners work pretty well. But the problem is they're thin liquids, almost like water. And when you spray them onto the glass, because of gravity, they run down onto the paint or onto the ground. BLACKFIRE Gel Glass Cleaner is a thick gel. And what this does is it gives the product dwell time. It clings to the surface where the chemical cleaners can go to work dissolving things like dirt and road film. And this makes it easier for you to get the glass clean. Using BLACKFIRE Gel Glass Cleaner is really easy. Just spray some onto the glass, allow it to dwell for a few seconds, let those chemical cleaners go to work. Then here's a technique tip. Use at least 2 glass towels to wipe the surface. 1 to make the initial wipe. This gets most of the gunk off the glass. 2nd to leave streak-free results. BLACKFIRE Gel Glass Cleaner is going to become your favorite new glass cleaner. To get your bottle, go to Autogeek.com. For more videos like these and how-tos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.